How to partition C drive in Windows 10 without losing data. Click the File Explorer icon. Click This PC. Right-click This PC. Click Manage. Select Disk Management. Right-click the C drive partition and select Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space is available to shrink. In the box labeled Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB, type the size you want for your new partition. Click Shrink. You will now see a black bar labeled Unallocated next to your C drive. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Click Next button. Next Windows, click again Next button. Assign drive letter. Pick a letter, e.g. D, E, or F. Click Next button. Format partition. Ensure NTFS is selected. Click Next button. Click Finish. Your new drive will now appear in File Explorer.